Honda's Hands-Free Tailgate with walk-away auto-close is available on select Honda models. With the Hands-Free Tailgate, you can open or close the tailgate with an easy, swift kicking motion. The walk-away auto-close function lets you set the tailgate to automatically close when you walk away from the vehicle. With the key fob in your possession, make a quick forward and backward kicking motion directly below the center of the rear bumper. The kick should be performed as one swift movement, like kicking a soccer ball. The same motion can be used to close the tailgate. With the key fob in your possession, press the walk-away auto-close button in the cargo area. The button will illuminate green to indicate that the walk-away auto-close function is activated. Within 30 seconds of pressing the walk-away auto-close button, walk at least 1 meter away from the vehicle. After the exterior lights flash and a beeper sounds, the power tailgate will begin to close. If the walk-away auto lock feature is turned on and all the doors are closed, the vehicle will lock once the tailgate is fully closed. Note that the walk-away auto-close button must be pressed prior to each time you wish to use this feature. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for full details, including for operational considerations and system limitations.